Have you ever been in a really important meeting or lecture, trying to scribble down notes as fast as you can? You're listening to the speaker, but you're also focused on your hand, trying to keep up. It's a constant battle. You miss a key point while you're writing down the last one. Or, you look back at your notes later, and you can't even read your own handwriting. It's a frustrating experience, and it happens to everyone. The pen and paper method, as classic as it is, just isn't built for the speed of modern communication. It's a bottleneck for information, and we've all felt the pain of it. The core issue is that our brains can process information much faster than our hands can write it down. Think about it for a second. An average person speaks at about 150 words per minute, but most people can only write at around 30 to 40 words per minute. That's a huge gap. You're forced to summarize, to pick and choose what you think is important in the moment. This means you're already losing valuable details, context, and the exact phrasing that might matter later. You end up with a fragmented version of the conversation, not the full picture. This can lead to misunderstandings, missed opportunities, and a lot of wasted mental energy. This problem isn't just for students in a classroom. In the business world, a single misunderstood instruction during a client call can cost a company thousands of dollars. For legal professionals, the exact wording of a witness statement is critical, and a small mistake in transcription can change the entire meaning. Journalists interviewing a source need to capture quotes perfectly to maintain integrity, even for personal use, like trying to capture a great idea you have while driving. The friction of stopping to write it down means ideas are often lost forever. The delay between hearing something and capturing it is where information goes to die. So we try to find workarounds. Maybe you record the audio of the meeting or interview. That's a good first step, but it creates a new problem. Now, you have a 1-hour audio file that you have to listen to all over again. Or, you have to pay for a transcription service, which can be expensive and take hours, or even days, to get back to you. You've traded one problem for another. You've postponed the work instead of solving the issue. The information is trapped in that audio file, and you still have to spend time and effort to unlock it. It's a slow, inefficient process in a world that demands speed and accuracy. So, what if there was a better way? Imagine a tool that listens alongside you and turns every spoken word into clean, readable text, instantly. No delays, no waiting, no complicated software to install. That's exactly what VoxCari is. It's a simple, powerful browser-based tool that provides live speech-to-text transcription. You open a website, you click a button, and as you or anyone else speaks, the words appear on your screen in real time. It's like having a personal stenographer with you at all times, ready to capture every detail without missing a beat. This is the solution to the information bottleneck. VoxCari was designed with one core principle in mind: simplicity. We live in a world of complex apps and software that require tutorials and training sessions just to get started. VoxCari is different. There is nothing to download or install on your computer. It works directly in your Chrome, Firefox, or Safari browser. This means you can use it on any computer, anywhere, without needing admin permissions or worrying about compatibility. It's built to be as intuitive as possible. If you know how to click a button on a website, you know how to use VoxCari. It removes all the friction, so you can focus on the conversation, not the technology. The magic behind VoxCari is its advanced AI engine, which has been trained on millions of hours of audio to achieve incredible accuracy. It understands different accents, filters out background noise, and even handles technical jargon with impressive precision. But what truly sets it apart is that it does all of this in real time. There's no uploading an audio file and waiting for it to be processed. The transcription happens live, as the words are being spoken. This means you can not only get a full transcript later, but you can also follow along with the text during the conversation, helping you catch anything you might have missed. Think of VoxCari as your perfect digital assistant. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get distracted, and it has perfect memory. It's there to handle the tedious task of note-taking so that you can be fully present and engaged in your meetings, lectures, or interviews. You can participate more actively in the discussion, ask better questions, and build stronger connections, all while knowing that every single word is being securely and accurately captured for you. It's not just about saving time, it's about upgrading the way you work, learn, and create, freeing up your mental space for what truly matters: a better life. So how does this actually work in practice? It's incredibly straightforward. The process is designed to be completed in just a few seconds. First, you open your favorite web browser and navigate to the VoxCari website. There's no login or sign up required to get started. You are immediately presented with a clean, simple interface. The most prominent feature on the page is a single inviting button that says Start Recording. It's designed to be unmistakable and easy to use, removing any guesswork from the process. You just open the page, and you're ready to go. The next step is to click that Start Recording button. Your browser will then ask for permission to use your microphone. This is a standard security measure to ensure your privacy. Once you grant permission, VoxCari immediately starts listening. You'll see a visual indicator, and as you begin to speak, your words will instantly appear on the screen. You can use your computer's built-in microphone or an external one. It works just as well for capturing your own voice for personal notes as it does for recording a conference call or an in-person meeting. The text just flows onto the page in real time. Once your conversation, lecture, or brainstorming session is over, you simply click the stop button. Your full transcription is now available on the screen. You can quickly review it, make any minor edits if needed, and then comes the final step: downloading your text. VoxCari gives you a clean, simple option to download the entire transcription as a standard text file. This file is universally compatible and can be opened in any word processor, like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Notepad. There are no proprietary formats or complicated exports. It's just clean, usable text, ready for you to copy, paste, share, or archive. The applications for this are endless. A business executive in a back-to-back schedule of Zoom calls can use VoxCari to capture every action item and decision without getting distracted. A student can record a 2-hour chemistry lecture and get a searchable text document to study from, instead of relying on incomplete notes. A journalist can conduct an interview and have a perfect, word-for-word transcript ready for their article the moment the interview ends. A legal professional can transcribe a client deposition in real time, ensuring every detail is captured accurately for the case file. It seamlessly fits into any workflow for any profession. What really makes VoxCari stand out is its unique combination of powerful features, all wrapped in a package of ultimate simplicity. First and foremost is its real-time performance. This isn't a service where you upload a file and get an email hours later. The transcription happens live, as you speak. This immediate feedback is a huge advantage. It allows you to monitor the accuracy as it happens, and ensures you have a usable document the second your meeting is over. There is zero waiting time, which is a massive productivity boost in today's fast-paced environment. This instant access to information is what separates VoxCari from the pack. Ease of use is another cornerstone of the VoxCari experience. We've already talked about how there's nothing to install and how it works in any browser. This matters more than you might think. It means you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. You can be at a client's office, in a university library, or at a coffee shop and use it on any available computer without a hassle. This accessibility makes it a truly universal tool. The design is intentionally minimalist, removing clutter and unnecessary features. It's built to do one thing: transcribe speech to text, and it does it exceptionally well without any distractions. Of course, none of this would matter if the transcription wasn't accurate. VoxCari's AI model delivers industry-leading accuracy, correctly identifying words and applying punctuation, even in conversations with background noise or multiple speakers. This reliability means you can trust the output. You won't have to spend hours correcting a garbled, nonsensical text file. Instead, you get a clean, ready-to-use document that requires minimal, if any, editing. This saves you an incredible amount of time and frustration, allowing you to move on to your next task with a complete and accurate record of your conversation. Finally, let's talk about security. In an age where data privacy is a major concern, VoxCari is built with security at its core. Your conversations are processed securely, and nothing is stored on our servers after you close the browser window. The entire transcription happens on the fly. Once you download your text file, the data is yours and yours alone. We don't keep a copy. This is especially important for legal, medical, and corporate users who handle sensitive or confidential information. With VoxCari, you get all the benefits of AI transcription without compromising on privacy or security. It's your data, period. When you compare VoxCari to the traditional methods of capturing information, the difference is night and day. Let's look at manual note-taking again. With a pen and paper, you're getting maybe 20% of the actual conversation. You're left with fragmented sentences and your own biased summary of what was important. With VoxCari, you get 100%, every word. You can then use that complete transcript to create a much more accurate and comprehensive summary later. It's the difference between having a blurry photograph and a high-definition video. One leaves you guessing, while the other gives you the complete, undeniable truth of the moment. What about other transcription software? Many existing tools are clunky and slow. They often require you to install heavy software on your machine, which might not even be possible on a work or school computer. Then, you have to record your audio separately, save the file, upload it to the software, and wait for it to process. This multi-step process is inefficient and full of friction. VoxCari eliminates all of these steps. It's an all-in-one solution that records and transcribes simultaneously, right in your browser. There are no uploads, no installations, and no waiting. It just works. Then there are the human transcription services. While they can be very accurate, they come with two major drawbacks: time and cost. It can take 24 to 48 hours to get a transcript back, which is useless if you need the information right away. It's also expensive, with costs often calculated per minute of audio. This can add up quickly, especially for students, small businesses, or anyone on a budget. VoxCari provides its transcription instantly and, with its free tier, at no cost. It democratizes access to transcription technology, making it available to everyone, not just those who can afford to pay for it. The key differentiator is the workflow. VoxCari is designed to fit into your existing workflow, not disrupt it. Other tools force you to adapt to their process. You have to open their app, manage files, and deal with their interface. VoxCari is lightweight and lives in a browser tab. You can have it running in the background during a video call or a lecture without it getting in your way. It's a tool that works for you, not the other way around. This seamless integration is what makes it so powerful. It's not another task to manage. It's a utility that makes all your other tasks easier. VoxCari is already a powerful tool, but we're just getting started. The team is constantly working on new features to make it even more intelligent and useful. Imagine your transcriptions getting even smarter. Soon, VoxCari will include an auto-summarization feature. With a single click, it will be able to analyze a long transcript and provide you with a concise summary of the key points, action items, and decisions. This will save you even more time, allowing you to get the gist of a long meeting or lecture in seconds. It's about not just capturing information, but also understanding it. We're also working on adding more organizational tools directly into the interface. This includes the ability to add keyword tags to your transcripts, making them easily searchable. We are also developing automatic timestamping, which will align the text with the audio, so you can click on a word and hear the original audio at that exact moment. For conversations with multiple people, we are rolling out speaker recognition, which will automatically label who said what. These upcoming features will transform VoxCari from a simple transcription tool into a comprehensive knowledge management system. The best part about all of this is that you can experience the core of VoxCari right now, for free. We believe that everyone should have access to this technology. We want you to see for yourself how it can change the way you work and learn. That's why we offer a free demo on our website. There are no signups, no credit cards, and no commitments. You can just visit the site, click the button, and start transcribing immediately. We're confident that once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It's a simple tool that delivers a massive impact. So, stop worrying about missing important details. Stop wasting time transcribing audio files or deciphering messy handwritten notes. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Let technology handle the tedious tasks so you can focus on what you do best: thinking, creating, and connecting. Go to the VoxCari website and try the free demo today. Join the thousands of professionals, students, and creatives who are already saving time and capturing every word. Never miss a word again. The future of note-taking is here, and it's just one click away.